I will talk about how can you create new channel on your Getcontact app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go down, you click here on shutdown here. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. So then you click here in this sign. When you just click on it, then it's going to take you to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. Click here on create channel. Then here click here on create profile here. Then here add your username and click here on next. Then it's going to take you to create your new channel on your Getcontact app. So that's all you have to do to create your profile here or your channel. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.